Hello, this is Dr. Brown. I hope everyone out there is doing well and are staying sheltered and everything. There was a homework problem in section 8.3 that a student asked me about, and I thought I would make a video and show it to the rest of the class. This is a trigonometric equation, section 8.3, and we want to solve the equation here, cosine of theta over 2 equal the square root of 2 over 2. And here is what we want to find. We want to write the general formula for all the solutions and fill this out based on the smaller angle, and then the general formula based on the larger angle. And then we want to list 6 of the solutions that are greater than or equal to 0. So let's start out, and I'm going to go to the next page, and we're going to start working the problem. We want to solve the equation cosine of theta over 2 equals the square root of 2 over 2. Well, we need to look at our unit circle and find out for what angles cosine of that angle equals the square root of 2 over 2. And as we can see, the x value on the unit circle happens to be the cosine. So we have one, this is a smaller angle. And down here, we have 7 pi over 4. Its cosine is the square root of 2 over 2 also. So now we've got our starting point, and now we can say that theta over 2 is equal to pi over 4 is a solution. And we know that theta over 2 equals 7 pi over 4 is another solution. But we also know that we can go around the unit circle plus 2 pi and get to the same solution, plus 4 pi and get to the same solution, and this plus 2k pi and get to the same solution. So let's look at the general solutions now. Theta over 2 then, based on the smaller angle, pi over 4, it would be pi over 4 plus 2k pi. And let's go ahead and solve this. That means that multiply by 2, we get theta is equal to pi over 2 plus 4k pi. That's just multiplying both sides by 2. And for the larger angle, we also get theta over 2 equals 7 pi over 4 plus 2k pi. Notice I used an uppercase k and a lowercase k. Multiplying through by 2, we get theta equal 14 pi over 4 plus 4k pi. And so now we have the, by the way, we need to make this 14 pi over 4 is equal to 7 pi over 2 plus 4k pi. So the two general solutions would be the ones I'm circling here. And then it asks us to write the first 6 solutions that are more than 0. So first 6 solutions. Using set 1, we get for k equals 0, we get theta equals pi over 2. K equal 1, we get theta equal pi over 2 plus 4 pi equals, to put it over a common denominator, you get 9 pi over 2. And for k equal 2, you get theta equal pi over 2 plus 8 pi. So that'll be 16 pi over 2 plus pi over 2, which is 17 pi over 2. And then for set 2, which is this set, we get for k equals 0, theta equals 7 pi over 2. For k equal 1, we get theta equal 7 pi over 2 plus 4 pi. Of course, this is 8 pi over 2, so add that to 7 pi over 2. We get 15 pi over 2. And then finally, for k equal 2, this will give us 6. We get theta equals 7 pi over 2 plus 8 pi. Of course, 8 pi is 16 pi over 2. Well, let me clean that up a little bit. And that's 16 pi over 2 plus 7 is 23 pi over 2. So now we have our 6 solutions. And if you want to place them in order, it would be theta is pi over 2, 7 pi over 2, 9 pi over 2, 15 pi over 2, 17 pi over 2, and 23 pi over 2. So these are the 6 solutions you would put in your MyMathLab, and that should be the answer. If anybody has any questions or has any other homework problems you'd like me to look at, please text me or email me, give me a call. I hope everybody is doing well.